1.
You can do it this way, no? Otherwise, they'll do the same group.
Oh yeah. That's his dominating of mine. I was trying to be creative.
Okay.
My innovation.
Make it stagnant. Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2,
1, 2.
1,
2,
1, 2.
2. Okay. All ones will come here, all twos will go here. Now the activity, it is a very simple, age-old game which we play, not an activity. You since a childhood. Rock, paper, scissor.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, there you go. Huh? So rock is this, paper is this, and scissor is this. So each team will be given time of say 1 minute. That's too much. Right? We'll give you 30 seconds as to what your action has to be. Okay? So, for example, team 1 has decided paper. So, at one time, given time, when I say now, they have to come up with their, both the teams have to come up with their decided action together. Right? They cannot. If you do it, if one team is late, the other team will get the point. Okay. Now, what is the rule?